Following some breaking news right now, a homeless man just trying to stay warm in a dumpster ends up getting trapped. It was a scary scene along I-10 near Sheldon about 30 minutes ago. We're told the man was sleeping in the dumpster behind a Shell gas station when the garbage truck showed up and lifted that dumpster. The trash actually started compacting in the back of the dump truck, and luckily the driver heard the screams. It took the Channelview Fire Department 30 minutes to rescue that man. So this is video just from the scene. He was bloody but conscious. He's being treated at the hospital right now. Very scary situation, but my goodness, so glad he's been rescued.
Yeah. All right, the time is now 6:50.